welcome to Mask Monday, Skincare Monday, whatever you want to call it. Today is a little different. I have something that I got in the mail that I really wanted to show you guys, and it is for your skincare products, okay? So I'm going to unbox it right in front of y'all so we can really see what's good. So the item that I was telling you guys about is this skincare fridge, okay? I'll leave the link to purchase it down below in the description box, but we're gonna unbox this and see what it's really talking about. So let me set y'all up and we'll get started. So I'm currently on the floor. Don't even mind the mess, but I'm currently on the floor of my beauty room. So I'm gonna try and pick up the box so I can kind of show you guys. But let me see. Let me tell you everything that I see on the box right now. So it says it has 2 lightweight handles, 2 removable shelves, a glass front, and a metallic finish. It's the best place to store all of your beauty essentials. The skincare fridge can go from 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or room temperature to 70 to 75. So this is what the box looks like. It's recommended for natural organic products, serums, creams, moisturizers, toners, mists, sheet masks, sunscreen, facial rollers, liquid makeup products, ooh, lip and eye pencils, products that contain vitamin C. So this actually is from Teamy Blends. And if you guys know them, I believe that's the tea company. So here are the benefits of storing skincare products in the fridge. Let me hold that up so you guys can see. It says it extends the life of skincare products, refrigerating your skincare and beauty products, especially preservative-free and natural ones, can prolong their shelf life and maintain their effects for longer. So I'm all for making good use out of all of my products, so I'm really excited about this. Then it says sheet mask heaven. Keep your favorite sheet mask chilled off for extra cooling sensation to relax you after a long day. That seems like a really good benefit. And feel refreshed. Chilling your favorite skincare products can deliver a cooling effect, leaving your complexion feeling soft, renewed, and revitalized. So I'm really excited to open this up. I'm going to show you all 4 sides of the box. I did read all of the sides for you guys. So let's open it. All right, guys. So I'm a little ashy because I just did get finished trying to wax my legs. But I'm so excited to open this up. So let's get it. Alright, so let's get it out of here. Alright, so we can ditch the box. Where's my phone? And they gave you like stickers to basically put onto, this is really cute, stickers to put onto the fridge. Where is my phone? Alright. So, of course it's upside down. We take the phone pieces off. Oh, this is a good size. Like, this is how wide it is. So, wow. Look, guys. So it has the 2 handles on the side, like it said. And, okay, so the cord is on the inside. And has a little handle over here. I'm going to pick this up and take it into the bathroom. And then we'll see more about it and stick some stuff in here. Okay, guys, I'm in the bathroom. I know I normally don't do videos vlog style like this, but just for the purpose, I really want to show you guys everything as soon as it comes out of the box. So I have the fridge here on the counter. And let me just turn it around for you guys so you can see the back. So the back has the controls where you do off, cold, warm. DC and AC, not sure what that means, and I'm guessing this is where you plug in the actual plug. So like I said before, if I can get it open, the plug is on the inside here, and these shelves are removable. Not sure how you remove them, haven't figured that out yet, but this is so cute. I'm loving it, and I'm loving this little handle right here. So I have you guys on top of the fridge right now, and I'm just trying to read whatever is in this little pamphlet here so we know exactly how to work this. My knuckles is ashy. I'm all excited. Okay, so this is just a little card from the owner, and we have the user guide. So this is actually, it is good for skincare, but then it also can be used for snacks and drinks and on the go stuff for like picnics and stuff like that. That's cool. I mean, well, duh, but still. So let's see. This is the cord. Like I said, it came with the, wow, so they gave you the cord to actually go into your car. So if you do want to plug this into your car, this side goes into the fridge and then this side goes into your car. So that's really cool. I thought you had to, you know, figure it out your own way, like get an adapter or something. So let me undo this. Okay, so the direction said stick it into the AC port. And I'm not sure if it's all the way in, but I'm gonna plug it in right here and switch it to cold. Okay, so I got it working. So I flipped up the switch to cold in AC, and the fan is on. It says to make sure that the fan isn't covered, so I'm just gonna turn it so that I can put my products in here. And I don't know if I'll leave it in the bathroom or if I'll put it in my room, but this is what it's looking like. All right, guys, so here is the bin full of products. So I have these face masks and stuff like that. Don't really know if I want to stick that in there per se, but what I want to put in here. So I'm gonna just go through this and kind of see what I can find to stick in here. I think this is like really cool for somebody who likes to make their products last. That's me. I don't be trying to buy no new skincare products. So this is gonna be really interesting to use, but I'm gonna put some of these stickers on there, and yeah. So this is the finished look of the fridge after I put everything on there. These stickers are actually really cute once I got to reading them and stuff like that. But this is what my skincare fridge is looking like. Fridge tour. So I have some face masks back there. I have one of my favorite moisturizers, my oils that I use every day, some toners, some more oil, some cream, my favorite scrubs and masks, and then some more masks. Like I said, I might end up adding like foundation and stuff in there, but yeah, this is basically it. This is me treating myself. I love trying out new stuff, new things. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.